I am Komal and I am from UA Delhi, Urban Adventure Delhi. Chai is the normal black tea. Masala means flavors. Masala means amazing spices. So when we mix amazing spices together to make our tea flavorous rather than hot, then we call it masala chai. So come, I'll show you the different ingredients which we require for making our masala chai. You can see here, for making 1 cup of masala chai, we need 1 cup of water. That is cinnamon. It's quite strong in nature, so that's why we use a little bit of cinnamon. This is green cardamom, very cool, so you can always use green cardamom for like a cooling agent. This is black pepper. We use black pepper so that our throat gets warm up and it also helps in activating our immunity system. That is cloves, again very strong and very warm in nature, so that's why we use very less clove. How can you forget about sugar when you're in India? So we always try to make our tea little sweet. So you can use any kind of black tea you want, either Darjeeling tea, Assam tea or any other kind of tea you want. So we are using the normal black tea today. So now you can see I have added 1 cup of water in the pan and let it heat. Till the time the water is heating, come, I'll show you how to mix the ingredients together so that take out all the flavors. So we would be putting ginger, cinnamon, clove, green cardamom. Open the leaves of green cardamom and black pepper. And now we would be mixing it together. Now why do we mix it? Because mixing them together makes it a proper masala. Masala means mixture of different kind of spices and you can smell it. Amazing. When the water is boiling, we would be putting our masala in it. Now why do we boil them together? So that the spices, the whole masala, could give proper flavors into the water and the water starts changing in its color slowly. So you can see the change in the color of the water. I'm going to put just half spoon of sugar to it to make our tea flavorous but not sweet. Now we would let it boil again so that the spices and the sugar gets mixed up together into the water. And now it's time to add our tea. So 1 spoon of tea to it. We let it boil so that the tea leaves could properly give its flavors into the water. Now there's a very important technique when you make Indian masala chai. The more you boil the tea leaves, the better the results are. So now I have boiled them together and you could smell the spices. And now it's time to add half cup of milk. Now watching this tea, you guys would be like, I don't want to drink this tea. It's quite milky. Boiling makes a big difference, guys. So we would be boiling our tea now for 4 to 5 times. The reason is when you boil your tea continuously, it gives proper flavors into the milk. The milk boils up together. The spices give its flavors into the milk as well. In result, everything gets mixed up properly and your proper masala tea is ready, which is not too sweet, yummy, flavorous, good for health, not too milky, but an amazing masala chai in its all. So now the flame is high and I'm going to let it boil. So when it boils up, put the flame down and bring it down. Again high and let it boil. Again down. Now as the boiling is going on, after 1 or 2 boils, you would start experiencing the change in the color of the tea as well. That is the reason why we boil, so that the tea turns flavorous rather than milky. And the change in color denotes that. The 3rd boil, bring it down. This one is the 4th boil. Again, the 5th boil. And this one would be the last boil. And yes, the tea is ready. Not milky, but brown in color and very flavorous. For drinking the tea, you need to strain it, and here's the strainer. So now I'm going to strain my tea. And here's the tea, all ready, and I'm set to drink my masala chai. So when are you drinking your masala chai? Thank you. Bye bye.